Tutorial: how to make a mobile virtual reality game using the Google Cardboard SDK that uses a controller to move a character. Let's get it done quick because it's actually pretty easy. I'm going to build a brand new Unity project, and what's a good name for it? VR FPS, and make sure it's 3D. And we got a brand new project opened up. This is going to be super simple because if you go to Assets, Import Package, and go to Characters, they got some character prefabs for us here. To save some time, we don't need the roller ball or the third person character there, but I'm going to import everything else. And these are the Unity standard assets. If you didn't install them when you installed Unity, you can go to the Unity Asset Store and download them there. Now that that's imported, we can go to the first person character, and there's a prefab in here for FPS controller. The FPS controller, if I move it to 000, you'll notice it has the camera, of course. So we can delete the main camera that came with the Unity scene. And we have this character. Now I'm also going to create something like a plane so that we have a ground with a collider on it. And if I click play, we should have a basic FPS controller going. Now there's something funny is going to happen when we go to build settings and we switch this over to Android. So now that I've switched to Android, if I click play, the mouse doesn't turn the camera, I can't jump, WASD doesn't move, arrow keys don't, nothing works. And the reason why is because of this cross-platform input. So what you need to do is you need to go to Window. You need to go to the button next to Window called Mobile Input. This got put in here when you imported the characters from standard assets. So go to Mobile and disable it. So now that that's disabled, it's not trying to get input from a mobile screen, and we're back to our keyboard and mouse input, which is what we want because that's how the controller works in VR. Get your Unity package from Google with the Cardboard SDK and go ahead and import that. Okay, now if I go to Cardboard Prefabs and I bring Cardboard Main in, we now have the cardboard camera here, but we also have the FPS controller, which has a camera on it. Now if I look under the FPS controller, I'm going to see that it has a camera and an audio listener. But the Cardboard Main, under Main Camera, also has a camera and an audio listener. So this first person character, which is a camera and an audio listener, can just get deleted because both of those components are a part of the Cardboard Main. Now I'm going to move Cardboard Main to a child of the FPS controller. And that should replace the cameras with the VR cameras. I can still move my mouse and I can still walk around. So